Gabi ng Misteryo.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ang aking lang pakiusap, maging bukas ang inyong isipan at puso sa lahat ng mga karanasan na inyong nakikita at nararamdaman. Dahil yan ang magpapatunay ng inyong koneksyon sa buong lumikha. Ako bilang isang inyong tagapagturo ay maaari lamang magbigay sa inyo ng mga karunungan na naaayon sa inyong nalalaman.
Ang 88 Lionsgate Portal and also Full Moon ay ating pag-usapan tonight sa Gabi ng Misteryo. Light workers, 5D Ascension workers are all invited to join this discussion, and we will try to share ano nga ba ang dapat nating gawin at ano nga bang ginawa natin. And I think it's about time to reveal our activities. At meron pa naman tayo hanggang August 12 for this 88 Lionsgate Portal opening, and this is a very powerful event, celestial event. The alignment of our sun in Leo sa Sirius, the dog star, which is the brightest star in the sky. And alam po ninyo, talagang very powerful kasi inline din sa Sirius star ay nagigising ang ating awareness, yung ating consciousness na mismong si Jesus Christ is a Syrian being na talaga nagbibigay sa atin ng awareness, ng consciousness to be awakened.
Christ currently is a Syrian blue human from the 7 higher heavens of the Andromeda M31 galaxy, who was sent on a contract to correct 3D timelines, bring the true Essene teachings, correct and work with the Stargates, the Christos Templar Stargates, and bring the Law of One Ascension teachings back to humanity.
Encounters, mga sightings ito. Doon ba'y palatandaan na talagang malapit na? Mga experience, so meron kayong sightings ng mga UFO. Higher beings, especially to the universe you call God.
Innumerable company of angels beyond human comprehension. Propulsion system.
Okay, mga misteryo. Ngayong gabing ito pag-usapan natin tungkol sa 88 Lionsgate Portal, pati na rin ang full moon, Sturgeon full moon ngayong Agosto na ito, and also meron din meteor showers and napakalakas ng energy. So I'm inviting everyone to share your experiences during this Lionsgate Portal opening. Anong ginawa ninyo? Ano na-feel ninyo? And ano ang manifestation na inisip ninyo na dapat na gawin?
Hello, Brother Rady Sibayan, Andrea here, and I am from the Mystic Way team. I am also known as the High Priestess Leo, and thank you so much for inviting us for the Gabi ng Misteryo. I'm very much excited to talk to you about the energy surrounding the Lionsgate Portal and how it is going to be helpful or beneficial to the 5D Ascension. See you later. Bye!
Hi Brother Ray, thank you sa opportunity na ma-invite kami ng aming team sa DZRH Gabi ng Misteryo. And then everyone, this is Jassy from Mystic Way team, and I'm inviting you to join us tonight sa DZRH Gabi ng Misteryo with Mr. Ray T. Sibayan. So, kasama natin yung ating Mystic Way team, pag-uusapan natin ang the power of Lion's Gate Portal at Angel's Wisdom, kung paano ba ito makakatulong sa ating spiritual journey and manifestation. So, it is going to be a deep, mystical, and magical conversation. Kaya samahan nyo kami mamayang gabi and let's unlock the mysteries together. So, see you sa DZRH, Gabi ng Misteryo, at tayo'y maglakbay sa mundo ng hiwaga. Bye!
Thank you, Brother Ray, sa invitation. Hello, this is Gina from Mystic Way, your psychic witch.
And I am Reika Genesis, also from Mystic Team, your energy coach.
Samahan nyo ang Mystic Way team sa Gabi ng Misteryo. Pag-usapan natin ang Lion's Gate Portal
at 5D Ascension. See
Kita
ya guys! Bye-bye!
Siya ating pag-uusapan tonight sa Gabi ng Misteryo, 10 to 11 p.m. sa DZRH. Wala pong absent. See you all!
Gabi ng Misteryo.